All right, a few days later than usual, releasing my project number 10. Um, it's a it's an arcade game that is kind of inspired by something personal that's going on in my life and life of people that I kind of grew up with. So I'm not gonna go too deep into um, the project this time as much. I will just explain the little bit of context as to why I decided to build the app and a couple of more details. Right. So the main reason why I built this app is because around 3.5 months ago there was a canopy in my home country of Serbia in the city of Novi Sad fell down and killed 15 people. And there's a couple more people that are critically injured, still hospitalized. Looking for justice since then, students in Serbia, along with general public, have been protesting with some very simple and logical demands to find those that are responsible and prosecute them according to the law. And they're still not getting their demands fulfilled. And one of the most common shouts that they have is Pumpaj, which it translated to English means pump it up. And what they mean by that is pumping up the tensions that would lead up to resolving this particular case. So this is a simple arcade game that's built in a sense where a pumping station, right, is shooting sandwiches into the different sorts of characters. Those characters are politicians and they're criminals and other inserted elements that are dominating the current scene in Serbia. Same way, like I feel about our students right now, the user, the player cannot lose, right? You're just shooting out stuff into these characters, and you're basically predetermined to win. I'm just gonna show it to you real quick. The landing page is full of just the elements, and again, it's not in English, so that's not relevant. These are the sort of characters, and these are real people, real. This is the president of Serbia, and there's a couple of instructions on how you can play the game, and some of the boosters that the game would provide, as well as the goal of the game with some of the transparencies that are being used as well. And let's just kick it right off. One of the things we not be able to hear is that there's a song as well in the background. That is a extremely famous song which portrays the fall of the government regime. There are gifts as well when you achieve certain milestones that just play in the back, right? And then game progressively gets a little bit harder, but then as I mentioned already, you you cannot lose as the player. So even if these guys hit you, nothing's going to happen to you. And again, that is built like that by design, simply because of my personal belief that the students that are in this particular battle are determined to win at all, no matter what, right? No matter what the scenario or what the things look like. These are some of the ministers of different sort of departments and industries which are corrupt and deserve to be fed with these sandwiches. Because again, these people would throw rocks at people, but whoever throws a rock at you, you throw a sandwich at him, and yeah, that kind of balances things out, I guess. And then I'm just trying to get to the end of the game, which is going to come pretty soon, right? Again, another GIF, because this is another milestone in the game, and then we're going to get ourselves just one sandwich away from the president, who will get defeated the fastest as soon as his army of bots gets defeated. And then when you proclaim the victory, you get your final score and then press escape for the exit scene. And that's with this caption, I will end my video as well.